Here we are at the Dallas Corinthian Yacht Club on the UNT Sailing. I'm gonna see how it goes. Yeah, we out here.
Okay, so once we know where the wind is coming from, the angle of the wind is gonna determine our angle.
Yeah.
The way that she explained it was like good, but I think you're gonna explain it better if I just say like 45 degrees to the wind is where we want to be.
Okay.
90 is a reach, and then away from the wind, downwind.
Sick.
But yeah, it's a close haul. We want to be at a close haul. We want to be the closest angle to the wind. If we can get less than 45, that's awesome. Okay, so you feel that pressure?
Yeah.
Do you see the telltales, the little ropes?
Yeah.
If the inside one is flapping, trim in, which means pull in. If
On
the
this
outside
one?
one is flapping, let out. Yeah. So right now you're kind of good. Because,
Oh, I see.
Yeah?
I see what you're talking about.
So you can let out right now. Because...
Oh, and it catches the wind faster. That's cool.
Well, it's also, there's not that much wind right here. So once we get going.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, if I say trim in, it might be easier. You're definitely going to want to have a foot on each side.
Like that?
Because when we tack, which means that the front of our boat is going to cross where the wind is coming from. Okay, so I think I'm actually sitting on the wrong side. So now you can trim in.
Like that?
So I am on the wrong side, so we're gonna have to switch, which means that you just, you sit on the side that the jib is at.
Yeah.
And then your job as a crew, trim in. Trim in means pull in. And if I say let out, then let out. So trim in even more. There we go. And then I can go further up and up and up.
And I'm assuming I don't need to do much with this one for now.
No, you just kind of need to have it in a place where you can reach it. So I can go even further upwind.
Yeah.
Because, okay, so that's where the wind is at, right here. So if we, pressure, so we're gonna tack. So let go, and then pick it up on the other side.
Like over here?
Yep, let it go, let it go. Just make sure you let go, right here.
Yeah.
Okay, so whenever we cross the head to wind, which is called a tack, so now you trim on this side.
Oh.
So you're stuck at the front, which means your jib sheet is caught.
It's caught on the rope.
Okay, that's fine. You can let go of this one.
Yeah.
You don't have to hold on to anything.
Okay.
I'm also not going to go fast enough to where you have to be worried about anything. So yeah, just only hold one at a time is probably a good idea.
Okay. So like a car kind of.
Yeah. So when we're crossing head to wind, when we're tacking, I'm going to say the terms. When we're tacking, you want to let go of the sail and then pick it up on the other side. And then move your body accordingly. So you see how the boat's kind of leaning over a little bit?
Yeah.
Means you can scoot your butt over to the middle a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, and you see how the inside flap is, or the inside is flapping?
Yeah.
Then you can trim in. So trim in your sail, and then we're gonna go a little faster.
Okay.
So we had they just gave us some bad air, because they're like crossing in front of us.
Yeah.
So now I can turn up into the wind more.
Man, that bridge is sick.
Perfect.
Okay, I see. So if the inside one is like not doing anything, that means it's good, right?
It's good. Yeah. If the inside one's not doing anything, it's good.
And then if it's flapping, I go to this one, right?
No.
Okay.
No. You always pull it from the same side.
Okay.
So right now you can trim in all the way, and we're gonna go as close hauled as possible. Oh, actually we need some vang, which you can unwrap it from here. We're gonna have to tack soon, but just pull it down and then we twist it around again. So we're gonna tack, so we're gonna switch sides. Once we start switching sides, just move your body and switch the rope.
Like this?
There you go. That was pretty good.
Okay.
You don't need to do it that quickly.
Yeah. All right.
Right now. So like, I just want to make sure that you're letting go in between, because if you don't let go, then we could potentially capsize. Which,
Oh, true.
yeah, because you're essentially just pulling our boat in the way that we're trying to turn, and if we don't have control, then we won't stay upright.
That makes sense.
So goal today, stay upright.
Don't capsize the boat.
Yeah. Don't capsize the boat.
The wind is kind of dying.
Yeah. Also, don't know why they were like, I'm the last one to sail out. I should have been the first one to sail out. Because I'm kind of bad at getting out of here. Also, it kind of died on us a little bit.
Yeah, no biggie.
Also, with the
Yeah.
jib, you're kind of controlling the angle at which the wind comes into the mainsail,
Ah, interesting.
which gives it the lift needed to
Okay.
propel us faster. Can you trim in more? There you go. It's kind of tough to stay fully trimmed in.
No, I'm just yoinking on it.
I think at this point you kind of got the
Yeah.
gist of like.
Yeah, it makes sense. I have the thing on so you can see what it's recording. I forgot to turn that off because it kind of kills the battery.
Yeah.
But whatever. Man, look at that big cloud. Oh my god.
So you see how, like, in relation to the
Am I?
wind,
Nope.
Okay.
Okay, we're talking. Sorry, I didn't see it. I was just seeing where the wind was at.
No biggie.
I'm just like dizzy though. What's wrong?
Wind's coming this way now.
Okay, you can let out a little. You don't have to trim too hard. So just like barely
Yeah.
kiss the top of the boat with the sail. So trim in a little. Trim in. So I just want the sail to touch.
Oh, okay.
So you can trim it in a little more.
I see. Like right there. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna pick up some speed.
Got it.
Don't worry about it.
No biggie.
I might ask you to come over. When I say come over, that means like sit with me.
Yeah, sit on this side.
Yeah. Okay, you can come over. That's great. You can trim in a little more too. And we're gonna tack soon. Are you
Okay.
ready?
Yep.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, tacking.
Woo!
Okay, and you switch over your body.
Oh, over to this side.
Yep.
I switch with you now.
Yep.
Okay, makes sense. This is crazy.
So we can trim in a lot more. And I can go up a little more. I got real stuck back there.
Yeah, the wind died.
It's not very good. That was great. 10 out of 10. Okay, trim. So see how the inside one was moving?
Yeah.
If you're not trimmed in all the way, I don't know if it's like my fault or your fault, whether
I'll just blame me.
well, no, it's just because like I don't know what the wind is doing if
Yeah.
you're not fully trimmed in.
Is that Denton?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Well, no, it's not Denton.
What is
No,
that?
It's, wait, is it? No, it's not. That's facing south.
No, that's south. That's north, northwest. I think that's the TWU building.
No way.
Yeah.
That's too far. We're too far.
No, we're only like 8 miles? 5 miles? Man, that bridge is sick.
Great fucking instinct, bro. Great fucking instinct. You're doing so
I mean,
well.
it just makes
Like,
sense.
so well.
It just makes sense.
Okay, you can sit up with me now. So sit. Yep. You can move both of your feet over. So move both of your feet over.
Yeah, makes sense.
No, like up
Oh,
and under
like
the strap.
up and under.
And then you can just sit back. Because we're not even trimmed in right now, we're going so fast. So now I'm gonna trim in. Or actually no, I'm not. Because then we're going too fast.
Yeah.
Can you lean out?
Man, we're going.
Do you wanna go faster?
I don't know. It's up
It's a
to
little
you.
scary. Oh, sit on that side. Sit on that side. Good job. So
There you
let
go.
go of the sail.
I
Let
lost
go of
it.
the sail. Whenever
Let
that
go.
happens, we let go of the sail.
Yeah.
Okay,
There you
so
go.
the sail's on the other side, so trim on the other side.
Oh, trim on. Oops.
Nope, let it go. So trim on the starboard side. Yeah, there you go.
Makes sense.
There
Okay.
you go. Does that
That's
make
cool.
sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna
so
stay
we're
in the middle
try and
because it seems we're leaning this way a little too much.
Okay, no, you're good. We're gonna try and do the same thing again and get a little bit of speed.
Makes sense.
Okay, so just trim in your sail. So it was a good instinct, but I need you to trim in your sail first, and then the boat is gonna move, and then you're gonna move. Or if you wanna trim and move it,
Yeah.
trim and then delay a little with the move.
Yeah.
So trim all the way because your sail is left. That's the correct term for
Yeah.
flapping.
Makes sense. How far are we going today?
As far as you want to go. I don't know. I don't really know. You can honestly, you don't have to move your butt as much as you can move
Yeah.
like your chest.
Oh,
if you
so
want.
that also counts.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can trim in right now, and we're gonna tack behind them. So you see how I like lean out like
Yeah.
that, and then we just like go flat.
Yeah.
So can you trim? Okay.
Are we turning this way?
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
Because right now we're 45 degrees to the right of the wind, which means that we're on a port tack.
Okay.
So if we're to the right of the wind, we're on a port tack. If we're to the left of the wind,
Because port's this side, right?
yes.
Okay.
Because we're gonna turn to port. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Port is gonna cross the wind.
Okay.
So whatever side is gonna cross the wind, that's the tack that we're on. So we're on a port tack. So I'm gonna let out, and I'm gonna lean it back. Woo! Okay, let go a little bit. There we go. And then once we're stable,
Pull in.
we're gonna tack. So that was good. That's good.
Was a little crazy. I probably should have held on to it.
No, it's okay. So there's gonna be a lot more wind, so you can just go ahead and step on the bench with me now. That makes sense, right? Self-explanatory.
Yeah.
Benches. Okay, we're gonna duck. Oh no, they have to duck us. I don't think they're gonna, so we're gonna duck them.
How?
We're just gonna cross them from behind. That's what ducking is. Okay, so now we're gonna trim. So you trim, and I trim, and then you just sit with me, and you put your weight, backwards.
Yeah.
So trim all the way. And then we're gonna find the wind. Oh, it kind of died down, so you can sit in.
This is sick.
So these are what the straps are for.
Oh, it's what the straps are for?
Yeah.
Okay,
They're
makes sense.
hiking straps. And so you can lean out all the way out. You're doing really well, bro. Like so good. I'm so proud of you. You can trim. Wow. Okay, trim in. You don't have to do that. That's just because our sails aren't trimmed, so that's why
Yeah.
it's
That's why it's
kinda
tilting
slowing
more?
down. Yeah, so you can fix it with the sail, and then you can keep your body the same.
Sick.
So, you're doing really good. Like really, really good.
This is sick.
You can trim in because the sail's not even touching,
Okay.
and then I can trim in too. You gotta get quite a good bit of. It feels faster whenever the boat's not flat, but it's not faster.
Yeah. We're only going like what? 10 miles an hour?
I have
8?
no idea.
I don't know. I can check on the
We
GoPro.
also like check it by nautical miles, so we do like knots.
Oh, fair enough.
So there's a little puff.
I see it. It's crazy how fast you can go in these itty bitty boats.
Oh yeah, and especially because they're smaller, you can go faster because
Yeah.
they don't weigh anything,
Yeah, fair enough.
and we're just being propelled, and we don't weigh that much like as a boat. That's why
Yeah.
we're going so fast. Do you want to try attack?
Sure, if you wanna.
Okay. Oh,
Whoa.
we got a puff.
Whoa.
No, you're good. You're good. You're good. I kind of fucked up and got tangled, but
I'm just trying to keep the weight centered.
yeah, no, that's exactly what your job is. So you can sit in right now, and I'm I'm gonna trim in, and then you're gonna come up again, okay?
Okay, just tell me when I need to switch.
Okay.
It's wrapped around my foot, so.
Okay. Let's
There you
just
go.
clean up our lines,
Yeah.
and then you trim, and then we're gonna go fast. When you trim, we go fast.
Okay, ready?
Basically. Yeah. So
3,
you can trim
2,
it. So-
1.
All right. Maybe give it a second. We lost some wind, so that should be fine.
It did move a little bit to the right.
That's great that you can tell that also.
Yeah, man, that's what happens when you grow up next to the ocean.
No, like I get it. Okay. Okay, so let's try tack now that we have less wind. So tacking. Get ready to switch. Okay, and then remember to let go. Especially when it's heavier
Yeah.
wind, you don't want to be holding on because remember that's.
Oh yeah, no, I let go. I let go the second it like hit the center.
Okay, awesome. Well.
They're blowing
Oh,
whistle
okay.
and they said come
so,
on in.
So let out.
Yeah, let out.
Let out. Let out. Let out. Or a little less. Enough so that it's balanced.
Yeah.
So you can yeah, let go and then sit in the middle.
Yeah. Sick. Oh, we're going. We're moving.
We are moving.
I don't even know.
So we're gonna have to tack soon.
Just tell me when. Tell me when.
Okay.
Hey, do it slowly or fast?
Oh, we are always slow,
Okay.
especially in these cross winds.
Damn.
Okay, we're gonna tack now. You trim it out as fast as you can.
It's kind of tangled.
Okay. And then you trim it as fast as you can. So trim it even more because the inside is still lefting. And then I can trim it, and then we can go clean out.
Are we going around that red thing?
They're going around the red thing. That's the mark. That's the windward mark because it's the closest one to the wind.
Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Yeah, we have the right away because we're
Oh,
on the
because we're in.
starboard tack.
Ah, makes sense, makes
So
sense.
then we let out because we're gonna go downwind now. So, and then we move slowly back in.
Sick. Okay, it's starting to,
Starting to make sense?
yeah, starting to make a lot more sense.
Okay, I'm so glad. 'Cause-
And I stay on this side, right?
huh?
I stay tacked on this side.
You can even lean over that side.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I can just sit.
Tell me when this is gonna swing.
Okay, I'll let you know when we're driving.
But
So I'm gonna try my best to. Okay, so pass me the rope on this side.
this one?
Uh-huh. Trim it. And then let it go on your side. And then
Yeah,
I'm
I let go, I
holding
let go.
it. Okay. And then I'm gonna have you take it up on this side so you trim in from this block.
Yeah.
So you can trim it in now. And then soon, not that much though. You can just
Yeah.
trim it in a little bit because we're still facing away from the wind.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna try jibe, okay?
Okay.
Okay. And it's slowly gonna come over.
There we go. You good?
Yeah, I'm good. There we
This
go.
is sick.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, we're going around that one?
Yeah, we're going around this one. I'm glad I went with you because I did not really want to go with someone brand new because I would traumatize them.
I pick up stuff very quickly, so.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go on the right side of them?
I don't know if we're switching out.
Okay.
I think you're good.
I think we're good.
Okay. You can trim in.
Trim in?
So now we're gonna go all the way upwind as fast as we can, as close to the wind as we can, because all we're trying to do is get as close to that mark as possible. Anyways, oh, trim in all the way. Trim in. Yeah, there you go.
There we go.
There's actually quite a bit of wind. It feels wind. Woo!
Sick.
I'm gonna keep us pinched so we don't go too fast.
Yeah. I don't want to go too crazy.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
We're not trying to flip today.
Yeah, not today. Another day.
Another day.
In the freezing cold water
Yeah.
of the man-made lake.
Yep. It's actually really gross. Especially if the boat gets caught in the water.
Jesus Christ.
It's all good. It's all good. Are you kidding me?
We're chilling. What?
So good. Okay, we can tack now. So I'm gonna start
Tack.
tacking.
Tell me when.
Ready? Okay. Tacking. And then you flip your body over quickly so that we don't capsize.
Yep.
Because the same thing with the sail, your body is what's keeping us upright. So trim in all the way.
And we're going to the red marker
Alright,
again?
guys, let go a little bit.
I'm
Yeah,
tangled.
the red marker
I'm
again.
tangled. There we go.
And then we lean back. We can flatten.
Woo!
So we went really far out, right?
Yeah. This time we're
Ideally,
gonna.
we would tack 2 or 3 times in between so that we can follow a straighter path.
Oh.
Let go a little bit. Let go because we're rounding. And you, yeah, and then you sit in. Shit. We're good. I kind of dropped the.
No, you good. You good. You good.
Okay, so let go. And then we sit in the middle. And then you sit on the other side.
And then do I?
Yep, on the left.
Oh,
No,
left.
just on the left. And just keep it there. And then in a
Sick.
few seconds, you can pass it to me now.
This one?
Yeah. I just always want to make sure that,
Yeah. And that was one lap? That's crazy.
yeah.
I'm trying to hold it.
Yep, no,
Okay.
you don't have to. You let it go.
Let it go?
Yeah, because if you let it go, then we're not moving.
Okay, ready? What's going on? Keep it on this side, right?
Huh? Yeah.
Huh?
You can trim it.
Trim it. What's going on?
You got to sit on the other side.
On this side?
You're good. You're good right here.
Yeah.
Just the waves are messing me up.
Is it going on over there?
Just don't look because we can't focus on that end right now. There's a lot of wind.
Oh, fair enough.
Probably one of their boats capsized. Can you trim in?
Trim in?
Yeah. They had an accident and wanted us to come help. Jacob?
Yeah?
See how we're leaning so far this way?
Yeah.
So sit in the middle.
It's in the middle.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah. So even right now we're kind of feeling a little bit twitchy. You can sit in the middle because we're going really slow.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like messed up. Normally you would sit on the bench with me, but it's more about keeping the boat flat than it is like knowing when to come up. Because I can tell you when to come up, but like,
Okay.
did you want to see now? I slowed down so you can see what's going on if you want. I have no idea.
I have no idea. We can keep going.
I think they said like at one of the docks, like they had. Okay, we're gonna have to tack
Tack.
because we're tacking already. So trim in on your left. You're caught.
I'm caught.
Okay, let go.
And then trim on it right.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay.
Yeah, it
Come
got
up on
caught.
this
It got
side.
caught on the rope.
Huh?
Yeah, it got caught on the rope up there.
Yeah. Happens sometimes. We're gonna get a little bit of speed and then we're gonna tack. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're gonna tack. Good job. I'm
Okay.
gonna have you come all the way up.
All the way up.
Yep. All the way up.
It's caught on my leg, but that's fine. I'll fix it. Now we gotta go all the way back.
Yeah. The reason you put your feet under the track is so you can like fully throw your body out of the boat.
Yeah, I see.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Right here. And if you keep your...
Woo!
Yeah. Sorry.
No, you good.
If you keep your quads tight, that's gonna get the most results. Like keeping your body like a stick is more useful than like keeping that body limp but off the foot. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Woo!
Oh, I almost fell off.
No, you didn't. You're good.
Oh, there we go.
Okay. Can you sit in? Thank you.
There you go.
Now I'm gonna trim, and you're probably gonna have to come back up. There we go. Okay, I kind of want to get off.
Huh?
I said I kind of want to get off now.
Low key?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, because it's just a lot right now.
Yeah.
It's a lot of wind.
Keep in, stay in, stay in.
Yeah, you can go in to the boat,
Oh, into the boat.
and I'm gonna let out. We're gonna go downwind. As you see, we passed the mark,
Yeah.
so that means we're supposed to go downwind. So let's get on the other side. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Sick.
No, you're doing really well. It's
Yep.
just like it's a little overwhelming. So you can pass it to me now. On this side, just yank it. So
Yeah,
good.
just as long as you tell me what to do, I'll do it.
Okay. So awesome. You're doing really, really well.
Yeah.
Listening, and that's all you need to know how to do is listen.
Oh my God. There we go.
Sorry, you
I got
splashed.
slammed. That was crazy.
I just didn't like that they were yelling at me. Cause it's just like it's not our job.
Yeah, it's not
you're
our
supposed to
problem,
have your
dude.
own boats, and they do have their own boats. So now they're gonna leave us, the little dinghies, without a coach boat.
Yeah, the one that's low on gas.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Which we shouldn't have taken out, but Daniel, the guy in the blue shirt, we don't really like him. But he's the one that was like, no, it's fine. It should be fine because we're just gonna sit around there.
Yeah.
But that's why you always go out with a full tank. Or a lot of gas.
That's like
so we're
number
gonna,
one rule.
Yeah. So we're gonna drive. So I'm gonna trim because it's gonna depower this.
You want me to keep holding this up or just let it go?
You're good right where you are.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna go. Woo! I got a little stuck. But we're good now.
I'm trying to stabilize it.
You're doing really well.
Okay.
Just a lot of waves. This is probably the highest wind I've sailed in as a skipper. Whoa!
It's dope.
Yeah, you can trim in.
Well, you gotta say for the camera.
Oh, you can't lean back though.
Oh yeah.
Here, I can trim in and then you
Oh,
can
shoot.
lean back.
Yeah.
So you can trim in too because we don't want your sail to luff. When your sail's luffing, your sail's not doing anything.
Yeah.
So when you trim in and those lines are even up there, the telltales,
Yeah.
that's when we're going forward.
Oh, those things. Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
And then you want both of your feet under the hiking strap. And we're gonna go all the way. So I want you to trim in all the way. Ah! That's a little too much for us right now.
Okay.
But we're gonna go 75%. This is 75% right here.
Oh fuck.
Okay, that's why you put your butt out.
Yeah. I wasn't all the way up. That's my bad. That's my bad.
No, you're good.
There we go.
You didn't know yet what all the way up felt like. So we're gonna trim. Or actually, no, we're not. Let's go ahead and tack. So I'm gonna initiate a very, very.
Tell me when. Tell me when.
You're tacking. Is that good? Like
Yeah.
as soon as it's happening?
Makes
I show
sense.
you?
Yeah.
So you can come up now. Okay.
I'm tangled like a motherfucker right now.
You can trim in. And I can trim in.
Yeah.
I trim
Waves.
in.
Waves.
We're good. And you don't know you're doing this on purpose, but leaning back is actually a good idea.
Yeah.
Do you have both of your feet on hiking straps right now?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
Just tell me when to like hold off once we're up there.
What?
Or wait, what do we do the second we get to that? I totally forgot.
You let out.
Oh yeah, that's what I mean.
Trim in. We're gonna make it. It's just like.
Yeah.
Okay. Once we get to here, you can start letting out. And then I start turning. There, that was so good. That was so good. Okay, and then you yank it on the right side. There we go. And then you let it go. And you stop holding on to it. And then now it's my sail too.
Good.
Now what you can do is hold on to the boom. Which the boom is
this?
that, it's the whole steel thing.
Oh, this?
That's the boom.
Dang, is there any water on the lens?
Yeah.
Okay, sick. Oh, I forgot.
It's like a drop, I think. No, that's just the lens. That's just the thing.
Whatever. Hey, it's sick. This is sick.
It's kind of intense when it's heavy.
Oh, yeah.
That was good. But now you sit on the other side and you let, when I say trim and we're going downwind,
Yeah.
it just means enough till it's sturdy. So
Oh,
you
like
let it
this.
out.
Okay.
Jamie, why are we going down? Let it out, let it out, let it out, let it out. And sit on the other side.
I'm holding it with my legs.
We're gonna follow Jamie.
Okay.
Jamie, why are we going in? Okay. So we're just gonna turn back up. So, oh my God, it's because I'm wrapped around.
Yeah. I'm playing the untangling game.
Okay, let me know when you're untangled and you go.
I'm untangled.
Okay, we're gonna go upwind. So pick up, trim, 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 trim. Trim, and then we hike. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see, what time is it? 2:07.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. Is it hurting your hands now?
Nah. My hands.
Okay, we're gonna tack.
Tack?
Yeah, because we have to meet the others.
Tell me when?
So, do you want to wait until I'm already tacking?
Now.
There we go. So we are gonna go in. So let out because we're gonna go back down. Not that much, right? Enough to keep it stiff.
Yeah,
and
just so
have
it's like a
shape.
full sail.
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks like a full sail. Okay. And then we're gonna. You can pass it to me now.
This one, right one or left?
On the right. So yoink it. Let go on the left, and then yoink it. Perfect. And now I grab on, pass it through. Oh, I can do that thing.
And I hold
And
this.
then you hold the boom, and then you let me know if it wants to come over.
Okay. Sick, bro.
That was so good.
That was cool.
So what are we doing? What are we doing? Okay.
Well, I just, we'd already been out there an hour, so I didn't know what the plan was to do.
Oh, gotcha. Fair enough. You can trim it on your right. And now I'm gonna go ahead and trim, and we're gonna go upward. So you don't have to trim all that much, remember, because we're still
Like,
going down.
yeah.
But
We're
once
just
we
slowing
start
down.
going upwind, and then you come up on this side.
Got it.
Timmy, are we going in? You can lean to the other side.
This side?
I feel like I'm pretty fine.
Yeah, that's good enough. Okay, we can go in first.
Sick.
You don't have to wait for them. You can sit on the other side though, sit on the right.
But still, it's trimming.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Nice water.
It's kind of a weird zone right here.
Yeah.
Because we're really close to the docks.
Yeah,
So
and the
keep
wind
it,
kind
we're
of
gonna
dies.
tack. Keep it.
Oh my
See
god.
how the boat's heeling towards me now?
Yeah.
We're good now. You can stay there actually.
Yeah.
You can trim. If you trim though, you would have to come up on this side. Hey, you know. Okay, so we're gonna tack again and we're gonna head in. Or yeah, tack again. There we go. That switching sides is beautiful, my guy. Okay, so we're gonna tack again. We're gonna stay up.
good?
Yeah, we're good. No, I just make noises. We're fine. Huh? Yeah.
Donuts?
Yeah.
You got it. You got it, Jacob.
Yeah, I do. Let's
Are
go.
you serious though? Are you serious?
Oh, I'm joking.
Bet.
Okay. Now we kind of have to. Okay, let out.
Now?
We have to jive. Because we're kind of close. Not yet.
Yeah.
You can go to the other side. To the left.
Left.
Okay. We're just going to do 360s. Indeed. So that means that we're just going to come around. And it's going to jive. Watch your head.
There we go.
And then we're supposed to turn. We can do it once we have no wind. 'Cause that
Yeah.
will probably be easier. You can let out, honestly, because we don't really want to have power coming in.
Yeah.
We're just trying to dodge.
Dude, this is sick. This is
I've
sick.
had so much fun. I hope that you can be my crew.
That'd be sick.
I mean, I'm not a skipper this semester, so maybe next semester, but
Yeah. Hella.
but if you start sailing, you'll definitely get to sail a competition.
She threw her water bottle. You might want to grab that.
Sailor's water bottle?
Yeah.
We can grab it when we
Yeah, when we're done. This is awesome. This is sick, man. Yeah, in a second.
Make sure you're holding on
I got
because
it.
this will fall.
Yeah, I got it started.
Alright.
There we go.
You
And
coming to the party tonight?
a party?
Yeah.
I didn't know there was one. Where?
It's at Tim's place.
Oh, is that in Denton?
Yeah.
Maybe. All depends on what I'm doing. There we go.
It's at 9. I can send you the Addy.
But and then this back here,
Yeah, the tennis ball.
tennis ball. I got it.
It's just like if you got the height, like why should I even try? You know?
Literally. I mean, I am 6'2", so there we go.
Yeah. Come on. Do the heavy lifting here. Can you pass the red strap?
The what?
The red strap that's on the ground.
Oh, this.
Can you pass it behind these side sticks? Thank you.
There we go. And I'm assuming untie this.
No.
No?
Because
Okay.
that stays on. On some boats, they do take it off though. So, not a bad line of thought.
Okay. Sick. Yeah.
Jib. So you can hold it by the jib. You can hold
Like
it like
this?
by the corner. Yeah.
And then,
Yeah. And you want to make sure that this is little, like, bending. So like you can
Yeah.
straighten it as we go. And
yeah.
if there's like dirt, you can like wipe it
I
away.
see what you mean. Yeah.
You're back on.
Yeah. There's a bunch of rocks in here. Goofy. Yeah, sail cover. Oh, okay, I see.
Oh my god, I am sweating.
It is hot outside now instead of being like 45 degrees.